This, and all these product videos and static images are generated in no time. And the best part? You can do a lot of things on a single platform in just a few clicks, no skills needed. If you are planning to start your own brand, or promote products and make money using affiliate systems, then this video is for you. I will show you everything step by step, so make sure you pay very close attention. And without wasting any time, let's start the video. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Pro Secret. The tool we are using today is called Video Company AI. Is your all-in-one AI platform where you can create viral UGC ads, static ads, B-roll videos, and so much more. Video Company integrates top voice, image, and video models for ad creation, which helps you generate high-quality videos without any skills. You must have seen these kinds of viral ad videos on TikTok or Instagram. They get millions of views and high engagement. And the best part? You can create the same type of videos in just a few clicks. Video Company provides 2000 plus AI actors with realistic and accurate lip sync, and you get brand consistent output on the first try, no need for multiple attempts. Your product looks exactly like real, not AI generated. You also get hundreds of static ad templates for all types of products, no need for Photoshop or Canva. One of the best features is that you can even clone yourself and promote products without recording yourself on camera. And that's not all, there are many more powerful features inside. So the first thing you need to do is click the link in the description and sign up using your email ID. Then it will bring you here, where all the features are available in one place. You can use them as per your needs. So first of all, let's generate a UGC ad video. Click on it, and you can change the content type anytime from here. If you want, you can enable subtitles as well. Now, first add your video script, and the Video Company AI actor will speak exactly the same. Then add directive instructions. It's highly recommended because it follows exactly what you write. I personally use ChatGPT to generate these instructions and paste them here. Next, upload your product image and make sure it's clear. You can also check these examples for reference. After that, add your product description, like its name and key features. Now select the language. It supports all major languages. I'm selecting English. Then select a voice. You'll get a wide range of voice options, and you can filter them for better selection. I need a young female voice, so I applied the filter and listened to a few options before choosing the best one. Next, select an actor. You can either upload your own image or choose from thousands of available actors. I filtered based on my needs and selected this one. Then add a background. You can upload your own or choose from the available options, but I'll skip it for now. Finally, click on Generate. It's processing, and here is the result.
This is just a fragrance. It's your identity. A scent that captures elegant, confidence, and freedom. Soft florals, warm vanilla, unforgettable presence. Wherever you go, leave a story behind. Make it yours. Make it my way.
See, the result is amazing. The actor speaks naturally and follows the instructions we provided in the directive section. And trust me, no one can tell that it's AI generated. You can use these videos for viral shorts, promote products, and even make money by promoting affiliate products through ClickBank. To download, simply click on Download. Now let's generate a static post for the same product. First, change the content type and select Static Post, and you will get hundreds of designs. You can also generate similar ones if you want. First, choose your product. You can add it through a product link or manually. I will paste my product link and click Get Details. It automatically fetches all the product details. Then click Save Changes. After that, select the ad format. You want to post on Instagram, Facebook, or Pinterest. I will select Instagram. Next, choose the ad theme. You will see many related product themes with lots of options available. I'll select this one. Then select the variation you want to generate. I will choose 2. Now select the language, and you can also add custom instructions if needed. Finally, click Generate Post, and here is the result. As you can see, the result is amazing. It looks like a post created by a professional designer using Photoshop or Canva, but it's all done using Video Company in just a few clicks. Just imagine the sales you could get by promoting your products this way. You can also convert this image into a video. Simply click on Convert, and it will open the image to video feature. Then write your prompt. For example, I'll write, convert this into a professional ad video. Next, select the video model. I'll choose Cadence Pro with 720p resolution. After that, select the resolution, then choose the camera shot. After that, enable audio if you want. Finally, click on Generate. And here is the result. As you can see, the image has been successfully converted into a video. You can use it for video ads as well. This feature gives you endless possibilities to turn simple images into high-converting video ads in just a few clicks. Video Company also offers many other features, but I don't want to make this video too long. So, I'll provide the link in the description. Go ahead and check it out. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and share. And if you are new to the channel, make sure to subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.